easy to wear. I've always been taught to never just think about yourself, always think about others. If everyone really makes a conscious decision, I think we'll be okay.
I wear a mask in the lab as a visual reminder to practice social distancing and to stop the spread of non-symptomatic COVID-19. The safety precautions I take when I get to the lab is I wash my hands before I enter and then before I leave. And I also use alcohol wipes on my phone and computer when I'm going to be using them in the lab all day.
Research has shown that if everyone wears their mask, we might be able to prevent a second outbreak. And I'd much rather do this than have to go into another lockdown.
Wearing the mask's not just about you, it's protecting the people around you. It's being respectful to their health concerns or their worries. And the more we can all support each other right now in this time, the healthier and safer we'll all be, and the sooner we can get back to normal.
So I think it's important that you wear a mask around your peers and around the faculty, especially because you don't know the health condition of anyone else that's surrounding you. And so if you want them to be able to be respectful of your health and your livelihood, then you should also be respectful of their health and livelihood.
This is one of my favorite masks. This is my Mind's neck gaiter. I especially wear it and will wear it on campus to protect minds, because we're working so hard to be able to open the campus for students and to be able to have students on campus and really have our community back together. And so I think that it's really important that everybody wears their masks so that we can stay open and so that we can continue to fulfill the Mind's mission and to have our community together as much as possible.
I wear a mask is not because of me. I understand that COVID, obviously, it's a risk for everyone, but we are not that prime target demographic, and you don't know if you have it. So just because you're going out and you don't feel like you have symptoms, you don't feel like you're causing any issues going out, you can still have it. There's no way to tell if you're not actually getting checked. So it's not because of me, it's because of everybody else.
I'm just a big believer in the herd mentality of like, wear it because although you might not know, like I might not know what I have, although I feel like I'm healthy, I don't know if I could be like an asymptomatic carrier. And I always think of like my mom who's older and like I don't want to give it to her, or like my niece who has an autoimmune disease.
I wear a mask to support my 3-month-old daughter. My mask is actually made from the same material as her baby blanket. So it helps me remember why I'm wearing the mask. And also thank you to everyone who wears a mask for also helping to keep my daughter nice and happy and healthy.
I wear this mask to not only keep myself safe, but to keep others safe and to also help others feel safe.
I wear a mask because it's important to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in order to protect my neighbors, my friends, and my loved ones. We don't know who may be in a high-risk category. We don't know necessarily everything that's invisible about the people around us. So we want to make sure to protect them as much as possible so we can all feel safe on campus.